Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials, power and mode. First, make sure the Beat Studio 3 has at least a 20% charge. Low battery can block pairing. Next, decide Bluetooth versus 3. 5mm wired audio. Bluetooth gives wireless convenience while analog avoids wireless codec issues. To begin pairing right away, press and hold the power button until the LED flashes. That places the headset in discoverable mode so your computer can see it. Once the headphones are discoverable, open your computer's Bluetooth settings to add them. On Windows, choose Add Device right arrow Bluetooth. On Mac OS, open Bluetooth and select Beat Studio 3. If you prefer wired audio, plug the 3.5mm cable into the headphone jack and set output to headphones in sound settings. Make sure to remove any previous Beats pairing before retrying, and verify your computer's Bluetooth adapter is enabled so the connection can complete successfully. After connecting, select Beat Studio 3 as the audio output in your system sound settings and play a test track to confirm left/right balance and volume. If audio drops or codec issues persist, update firmware through the Beats app on a phone and then reconnect. Firmware fixes many bugs. As a key troubleshooting tip, perform a hardware reset by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks. Once reset, put them back in pairing mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.